partnership with Good Shepherd is incredibly important to Lehigh University because our mission in the College of Health is to improve health outcomes for individuals, communities, and populations really by doing impactful, real-world work. And so it's this partnership that is really key for actually making a difference to people.
The partnership between Lehigh with our sort of technical and engineering and data science expertise, plus Good Shepherd with their really remarkable clinical programs and clinical practices, that is really fertile ground for innovation that will have significant impact on patients' lives.
There's lots of opportunity to improve how therapy, rehabilitation, and healthcare is delivered, to improve the autonomy, quality of life, and independence in individuals who have a disability in the community so that they can participate at their maximal potential.
It's really going to accelerate the generation of new ideas on technology that may be created or new treatment approaches that may be developed that really can have rapid and quick benefit to the patients that we serve. What it's going to mean in 10 years is probably something we can't even imagine today, but it's going to be profound and it's really going to change the lives of many, many people.